Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A54 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features on this Samsung. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access General Management. Now click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, and as you can see, some typing features are over here. If you wish to manage them, just click on the switchers next to the chosen ones, or tap on the chosen one like Auto Replace, or suggest text correction and tap on the switcher there. You can also click on the back button, scroll down and choose more typing options. Then manage them the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!